Hello, and welcome to this Checkmate 3 chess puzzle. This one was created by Seymour in 1876. See, we've got this weird column of pieces. Black just has the king, a pawn, and a rook. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 3? Moving the queen to e8 doesn't get you a mate in 3. King can escape to b7, then you can promote the pawn to a queen. After the king moves to b6, you can move into b5 with the queen, and then eventually get a mate in 4. Moving the queen to a1 is only a mate in 4. After the king escapes to d7, you can promote the pawn. The king can then escape to d6. After moving the queen to d5, it's not a mate in 3 because the king can escape. Then you can finally mate in 4 by moving the queen to e6. If the king takes the pawn after the queen moves to a8, you can then check with the bishop. The king can escape to, say, d7. Can then move the rook, but it's not a mate in 3 because the king can move, and then after moving the queen to d5, it's only a checkmate in 4. Taking the rook with the bishop isn't a mate in 3 because obviously that causes a stalemate. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get a checkmate in 3 for white, you actually need to take the pawn on c5 with the queen. Black takes the rook, then you have to take it back. The black king is then forced to move, and then you can promote the pawn to a queen to checkmate in 3. If black moves the rook to b2, then you can move the bishop to f5 to check the king. That forces the king to move, and then you can promote for the checkmate in 3 this way. There's actually a second mate in 3 by moving the bishop to d4. The pawn takes the bishop, you can mate in 2, but black can delay the mate by trading off the rooks. Then after the pawn takes the bishop, you can mate in 3 with the rook. Black can also try to delay the mate in 3 by moving the rook to e2. So then they can block with the rook just to prevent it from being a mate in 2, but it's still a mate in 3 this way. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.